Guys, I'm doing this video regarding charging cable holder, which is gonna cost you literally just a few cents instead of a couple of dollars that I've seen it in the store, like 10, even $15. And basically all you need, as you can see on the floor, my cable keeps falling down because it's short. Obviously I could use a longer cable, but I don't want to. And I'm just gonna spend a few cents. My daughter gave me this pencil grip that you could even cut on 2 pieces. And all you need is a tape. So I'm just gonna grab a cable and I'll show you that it takes a few seconds. You gotta make sure the cable fits through the charging cable. So that has to be, could be anything, but this is what I found. And I just need about 5 inches of tape to tape it on my countertop. Boom, boom. And I'm not having any more problems with my cable keep falling down and getting damaged. As you can see, it's cool and it holds. Thanks for watching, guys.